Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In this one, I'm going to be drawing Bandit from Bluey. What an awesome character based around a blue healer. Hope you guys can follow along and have some fun. Let's draw it. Let's start Bandit with constructing up his body. Now he's got a slight curve that way. And I've measured him up and he's probably 2 times higher than he is wide. So make sure you get the proportions right. And notice how that's almost it's a rounded rectangle, but on a slight curve at the front. Now, sort of just down from the top, we've got his nose coming out. So his nose is sort of sits right on there, and then it comes like this. And then it comes in, and then he's got a big smile. He's a happy dad. And then the circle for the eye is roughly in the middle, but near the top. And then you've got an eyeball, and then this line comes all the way across to here. And then we've got another eye, the eyeball. Then we have the eyebrows, 1, 2, and then we have an ear. And then we have the other ear, like so. And then we have a line coming down there. Now, he's got a belly colour, like so. He's got his hands on his hips. So 1 finger, 2, and then that kicks up like so. There's his hand on the hips, and then over this side he's got a line like that with a finger just sort of down there, down there, and then he's got his feet. One, two. Now I'm going to add some details to Bandit, the blue healer, the dad from Bluey. Let's colour that in, keep the highlight using a 0.5. Depends on how big you went with your drawing, is what size you might want to do. I'm just going to go over all the lines I have drawn already using my black pen, and I'm just going to speed that up. Oop, don't forget his tail. Bring that around like that. With a curved line there.